Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Today, we'll cover 3 exciting updates: the importance of broad accessibility, the new ChatGPT desktop app, and the launch of our flagship model, GPT-4o. First, we're thrilled to announce the desktop version of ChatGPT. It's designed for easy, natural integration into your workflow. Alongside this, we've refreshed the UI to make it even more intuitive. Now, for the big news, we're launching GPT-4o. This model brings GPT-4 level intelligence to everyone, including free users. We'll be rolling out these capabilities over the next few weeks, starting today. Our mission is to make advanced AI tools accessible to everyone. We've removed the sign-up flow and are introducing the desktop app to enhance this experience. Our goal is to reduce friction and make interaction with ChatGPT as natural as possible. GPT-4o is not just smarter, it's faster and more capable across text, vision, and audio. This marks a significant step forward in the ease of use and the future of human-machine collaboration. With GPT-4o, voice mode is now native, reducing latency and improving the natural flow of conversation. This integration enhances the immersion and efficiency of interactions. We're excited to bring GPT-4o's advanced features to our free users. With over 100 million people using ChatGPT, these new capabilities will enhance learning, creativity, and productivity for everyone. You can now create custom GPTs for specific use cases, available in the GPT store. This opens up new opportunities for educators, content creators, and more. Upload screenshots, photos, and documents with both text and images to start conversations. Use memory for continuity and browse the web for real-time information within your chats. Analyze charts and data effortlessly with our advanced data analysis tools. Get real-time insights and detailed answers to complex queries. We've improved quality and speed in 50 languages, making ChatGPT more accessible globally. This ensures that more people can benefit from our advanced AI tools. GPT-4o is also available via API, allowing developers to build and deploy AI applications at scale with faster performance and higher rate limits. Bringing these technologies safely to the world is a challenge we're committed to. We're working with various stakeholders to ensure responsible use and continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to roll out these capabilities to all users over the next few weeks. Try it for yourself and experience the magic of GPT-4o. Stay tuned for more updates and innovations from OpenAI. Until next time, happy chatting.